Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and track eBay sales performance. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you're familiar with and simply go ahead and search for eBay. And once you do that, go ahead and click on the first link right over here and simply go ahead and search for eBay Sellers Hub. All you need to do is go ahead and click on this My eBay tab right over here and click on Selling right over here. Once you do that, it's going to open the Sellers Hub. And now to check your performance, all you need to do is go over here, and this is where you can check multiple performances like summary, seller level, sales, traffic, and even service metrics. So simply go ahead and click on summary. This is where you can see your total sales, your traffic, your selling costs, your seller levels, and everything else. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.